Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to add a top bar to your WordPress website. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress site. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will see a login option. Click on that login button to get started. After you click the login option, you will be presented with different ways to sign in. For a streamlined experience, select the option that allows you to continue with your Google account. This method is designed to simplify the sign-in process so that you can quickly access all the features of your WordPress dashboard. Once you choose to continue with Google, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Choose the account that you normally use for managing your website. Once you have successfully signed in, your WordPress dashboard will appear. In the dashboard, locate the Quick Links section. Within this area, you will see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to launch the site editor. This editor is where you will perform most of the customization, including adding your top bar. When the site editor loads, you will see a list or a visual interface representing your website. Click on the website you intend to modify. This action brings you to the main editing screen where you can update various elements of your site. A critical component of this process is managing the navigation settings, so now focus on the navigation area of the editor. Once you are in the navigation section, find and click on the navigation element. This action will open a set of options where you can further refine the layout of your menu. Look for a symbol in the form of 3 dots, which indicates a menu for more options. Click on these 3 dots to reveal additional functions, then select the Edit option. This selection transitions you into edit mode for the navigation menu itself. Within the navigation edit mode, an option appears that invites you to add a block. Click on Add Block to introduce a new element into your navigation menu. Using this feature, the editor allows you to search for the page or post you want to include as part of your top bar. Type in the name or keywords associated with the page or post, which will help you quickly find the desired content. After you have located the correct page or post to add, the final step is to save your changes. Locate the Save button within the editor and click on it. Saving your work ensures that the new top bar, along with its integrated link, becomes a permanent feature on your website. This change improves your site's navigation and provides a more professional appearance. By following these clear and concise instructions, you have successfully enhanced your WordPress website with a top bar. This process leverages the built-in features of WordPress to streamline the way visitors interact with your site. The entire procedure is designed to be efficient, taking as little as 5 minutes to complete, even for those who might be new to the WordPress platform. Thank you for listening as you learn how to improve your website's user experience by adding a top bar. Enjoy the benefits of smoother navigation and a refined site design that delights your visitors.